we need to consider so many factors. We need to get prepared before we embark on this journey. So we were able to get in touch with an individual, one particular woman, and the woman started communicating with us, and we were trying to find out how we can get to Biola and speak to Biola. We spoke with this woman in Mali.
Because ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló máa ń mú fóònù tutorial ti blọ́ọ̀kù símù ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ń bíbá yìí. Ìyá ẹgbẹ́ Yorùbá ni mo sì jẹ́ ní bíbá gbogbo Yorùbá tó wà ní Mali. Èmi nìyá ẹgbẹ́ wọn. Àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan máa wá ń gba tí mo bá lọ sípàdé tí gbogbo wọn bá wá sípàdé àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan máa ń gba fóònù mi láti bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi náà máa ń free wọn wípé kí wọ́n gbúrò ilé but mi ní nọ́mbà mọ́ mi ẹ̀ rárá lórí fóònù mi bíbá mi ti ẹ̀ rí rárá lórí fóònù mi kò sí nọ́mbà mọ́ mi ẹ̀ lórí fóònù mi kò bá nọ́mbà mi ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ rí lórí fóònù yìí but ó máa ń bọ́ pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ kódà mi mọ ẹ̀ńtẹ́ rí gan mi tí ì dá mọ̀ mi tí ì mọ̀ Jumoke George tẹ́ ń wí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá sí mi lórí ni wípé woman tó ń ṣe fíìmù yẹn mi tí ì mọ ọmọ wọn bí báyìí báyà kó present ààrẹ as ọmọ Jumoke George èmi náà fi fọ́tò yẹn màá sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ sínú gúrùpù Yorùbá wa nílẹ̀ yìí wípé ẹni tó bá rí nínú gbogbo àwọn Yorùbá tá a jọ wà ní ilẹ̀ yìí màá pín káàkiri gbogbo ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn nínú tí gbogbo wọn bá wá sípàdé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní àwọn tí wọ́n máa ń bá mi pé àmọ́ mi a fẹ́ lo fóònù yín tí mo máa ń fún wọn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn but nọ́mbà Jumoke George yẹn kò tiẹ̀ sí lórí fóònù mi rárá.
All right, so this woman we spoke with, we send out the picture of.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ṣe ti wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn arákùnrin kan ló interview èèyàn kan ní church àǹtí Jumi gbà tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ láàárọ̀ mo gbàgbé mo fẹ́ sọ wípé ṣá lè rí èèyàn láti church àǹtí Jumi níbi tí wọ́n wà àwọn tí wọ́n lè sọ wípé irọ́ ni wọ́n ń pa nìyẹn so ẹ̀já tẹ̀síwájú.
Diola, and we had communication with her, and then she was like, oh, she doesn't know this lady in particular, but she's like a president of Yoruba community in Mali, and a lot of young girls or Nigerian people, they come to meet her and use her phone, and they use her phone to communicate with people back in Nigeria. Mali is like a very close country with Niger and Nigeria. No, we don't share border. I don't know if we share border with boundaries with Mali, but I know we share border with Niger. So, and she did not have a SIM. A lot of Nigerians who are there, it's just like the kind of work that VDN did by advocating and crying out to say there are a lot of girls who have been trafficked outside Nigeria. Some of their parents don't even know their whereabouts. They were in excommunication. Some parents will have started running from one spiritual houses to the other in search of their daughters, so their daughters can come back. And so people just continue to be hopeful. The same thing applied to Jumoke George. She was not in communication with her daughter for the past 4 years. And we were trying to search and see how we can get Diola because of the video interview that was posted. I mean, it's our duty to ensure that everybody, every mother who is looking for a daughter or a son can be able to get them, because it's heartbreaking for you to see that your child is missing. Yoruba sọ wípé ọmọ ẹni kú ó sàn ju ọmọ ẹni nù lọ. Let's go on.
Mo ti bẹ́ẹ̀ sí bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ tán yẹn mo ti wo gbogbo nọ́mbà mo wo gbogbo fọ́tò kò sí nọ́mbà Jumoke George lórí fóònù mi.
So she was telling others she doesn't have Jumoke George as a number or contact saved on her phone, but a lot of ladies in Mali who doesn't have phone to communicate, they use her phone to communicate with her family back home. So
kò sí wàhálà mà ẹ ṣe èmi mo lè send the number Jumoke George fún yín so that tí ẹ bá rí ọmọ ẹ̀ tó ń jẹ́ Diola kẹ́ sọ fún kó pè ìyá rẹ̀ torí ìyá rẹ̀ ń wá ó ní òun ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ láti bí ọdún 4 tó ti lọ sí Mali bí kò bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ òun ò mọ bí tó wà òun ò rí so nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn so màá send number ìyá rẹ̀ ẹ lè bá ìyá rẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ìyẹn tẹ́ bá rí Diola náà máa mọ nọ́mbà ìyá rẹ̀ náà àmọ́ nọ́mbà ẹ̀ bọ́ tí nǹkan tó kàn ṣẹlẹ̀ tèmi fi wà ìjọsẹ̀ ni pé mo gbọ́ pé bóyá Diola nídìí owó láti ṣe ìwé ìrìnnà torí tó bá fẹ́ wá sílé wá wo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ so that ó nídìí ìwé so tó bá nídìí support kó jẹ́ ká mọ̀ ká lè mọ̀ bá ṣe lè ṣe èmi fúnra ara mi mo lè send owó sí kó fi ṣe ìwé ìrìnnà ẹ̀ kó lè wà lé wá wo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ kó jẹ́ wo ìyẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ a lè free láti.
Kò sí problem tí mo bá ti èmi náà ti sẹ́ndì àwọn fọ́tò yẹn káàkiri mo sì ti sọ fáwọn èèyàn tí torí mi tiẹ̀ tí ìmọ̀ kókó ojú ọlá yẹn wọ́n pọ̀ gan àwọn obìnrin pọ̀ ń bíbá ìkà àtàwọn bọ́ìsì tí gbogbo wọn máa ń wá sí pàdé mo ti sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ káàkiri ẹni tó bá ti rí mo ti gbọ́ kò sí wàhálà ẹ sẹ́ǹdì nọ́mbà Jumoke George yẹn sí mi tí mo bá ti rí báyìí tẹ́ bá ti bá mi rí màá pè wọ́n lójú ẹsẹ̀ wípé mo ti rí ọmọ wọn o. Hello, ẹ kálẹ́. Mo ní kí n ṣàlàyé fún yín ẹnìkan àwọn nínú àwọn tí mo sẹ́ǹdì fọ́tò ẹ̀ sí ẹnìkan ní àwọn ọmọ ibi tó wà dán mo sáà sẹ́ǹdì nọ́mbà yín sí onítọ̀hún ìgbà tí mo ní ẹ̀ ń wà mo sáà sẹ́ǹdì nọ́mbà yín sí onítọ̀hún pé kó bá mi sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ sí onítọ̀hún sáà ti sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ sí mi ò mọ̀ bó ti bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ bí ti bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ní kí n ṣàlàyé fún yín ibi tó wà sí mi gan ó jìnnà gan ibi tó wà sí mi kò sí náwó rárá kó tó dọ́dọ̀ mi bí ó máa ná 30,000 torí pé táwọn làwa wà Bamako ni èmi wà ibi tóun sì wà yẹn ó tún sọ ní ìjẹ́ fíléèjì ni Bamako ní kí n ṣàlàyé fún yín pé bọ́sọ̀ ti pè yín àbí kò tí pè yín títorí ẹni tó sọ yín pọ̀ mọ́ ibi tó wà yẹn wípé iná bẹ̀ wà lọ́wọ́
ṣé ń tẹ̀lé mo mọ̀ mọ́ máa interrupt mi o a máa find out.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni màá ṣe ọmọ God bless you ẹ pẹ́ fún wa
bóyá rọ́lá ń fi pa bó tọ́
orúkọ Jésù ẹ̀ nítàjò gbé ṣáájú o ìrìn àjò tẹ wàá sàn yẹn kéré òkò délé ó ti gbé o ó ti pè á jẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ó lóun ní passport tó ń lè fi travel òun ní Nigerian passport mo jẹ sọ fún pé ó kì í pé kó jẹ́ ká mọ iye tó máa cost ká lè bá fi owó rẹ̀ ránṣẹ́ kó lọ ṣe passport Nigeria so that tó bá fẹ́ travel wáyé á lè mọ̀ then ó lóun ní sim pé nítorí ìgbà tóun ní passport kò sí bóun ṣe lè ní sim tóun lè pè anybody sí pé òun yá fóònù àwọn èèyàn fi pè lé ní gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣàlàyé so this sim kò ní owó tó lè fi lọ ṣe passport Nigeria ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa find out èló ni wọ́n ṣe passport Nigeria kí ni bá sẹ́ni owó yẹn.
So let us listen to something. I don't know why it is difficult for people in Mali, both immigrants and citizens of ECOWAS in Mali. Why it's difficult for them to have a SIM or access to SIM card? Because in Nigerians who are migrating, they move around the border communities without anybody stopping them. So I don't know why it's become an issue, but of course she's saying the truth because we spoke with her and she analyzed so many things that happened. And let's listen to some of this information.
So, àbúrò ẹ̀ ń kọ́ ṣé o máa bá àbúrò ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá fẹ́ bá mọ́mí ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Okay, máa get contact àbúrò ẹ̀ máa send ẹ̀ sí ẹ̀ ṣó yẹ sí. Máa send ẹ̀ sí ẹ̀ kó pe àbúrò ẹ̀ kó lè sọ fún mọ́mí kó kí mọ́mí fọkàn wọn balẹ̀ tí ò ń gbọ́. Ìkọ́ tó fẹ́ sọ fún mọ́mí ẹ̀ tó bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ kọ́ lè fọkàn balẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ kàn bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ kí ló fẹ́ sọ fún wọn. Okay, so ìgbà wo ló máa lè wálé tá a bá send owó sí ẹ ìgbà ló máa pè mí padà kó lè jẹ́ kí n mọ̀.
Ó yá.
Àwọn nǹkan tó máa cost.
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ṣẹ́gi tí mo wà ó jìnnà sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn
Nigerian community.
Nigerian community yẹn. Láti ibi tí mo wà sí sọ́dọ̀ wọn ṣẹ́gẹ̀. Ṣé nǹkan tàwọn ti lọ níbi 37 lọ́wọ́?
Okay.
Mo máa ṣẹ́tù àwọn ọlọ́pàá lọ́nà because mi kì í ṣọmọ orí mi ò ní bá sọ mi ò ní ẹni.
How much is 30 sefa? How much is 30 sefa? Alone in 30 sefa. She said she's going to need about 30 sefa to be able to travel so that she can give some tip to policemen. She doesn't have a passport. She doesn't have a class passport or what's it called, Nigerian passport. So she's like an undocumented immigrant in Mali. But I think that if Mali is part of the West African, she's supposed to have free movement. she's supposed to have free movement because àwọn ọmọ Togo àwọn Benin Republic wọ́n lọ wọ́n bọ̀ ní Nigeria, even Leko, a lot of them wọ́n gbé passport rẹ̀, you know, they walk in freely, they even walk, go to Victoria Island, go to so many places ibi tí wọ́n ti ń kọ́lé, ẹ̀rọ ọmọ Ghana, ọmọ Togo, ọmọ Benin Republic, ọlọ́pàá.
ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ níbẹ̀ yẹn. Nàìjíríà nìyẹn everybody takes Nigeria for granted. Nàìjíríà nìyẹn we are accommodating. Àwọn ọmọ wa dẹ̀ ń jẹ ìyà ní gbogbo ibi tí àwọn èèyàn wọn kò sí ẹnì kankan níbí báyìí tó máa wá síbí báyìí from outside anywhere in the world. Wọ́n máa enjoy ara wọn ni. A máa bú àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wá ń sìn wípé àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wò mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Ṣé ó burú jù ní wípé kéèyàn accommodate àwọn èèyàn nígbà tí èèyàn lè move freely ní white man's country, black man ò tún lè move freely ní black man's country. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bú Trump, à ń bú àwọn èèyàn tó victimize àwọn ọmọ wa ní white man's country nígbà tó jẹ́ pé nílẹ̀ tiwa gangan tó yẹ ká ti fìfẹ́ hanra wa àfìfẹ́ hanra wa. Nàìjíríà nìyẹn. Nàìjíríà àmọ́ importance ara wa, àwa gan àfúnra wa ní class kò dẹ̀ ní ìtumọ̀ pàápàá. Ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n bá kú gba gbowó ọ̀hún náà wọlé náà tán ta kúkú ní everybody kúkú ń gba visa náà, everybody kúkú ń ṣègbà, everybody kúkú ń ṣàwo náà, Nigerians ò kúkú ní enjoy ẹ̀. Thank God fáwọn èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan tọmọ value wa. Ó yá Nàìjíríà nìyẹn, Ọlọ́run yóò ṣàánú tiwa.
There's no policeman stopping them. So if Mali is very tight in terms of security and they are doing all of those things, it means that Nigerians are learning. So this lady, Biola, is not, because when we posted the updates in the morning, a lot of people were just saying things about her. They were like,
Policemen in Nigeria, they even prefer to show love to the strangers more than Nigerians. And inside them, wọ́n mọ̀ wípé àwọn táwọn arrest, àwọn táwọn fìyà jẹ, àwọn táwọn ṣe nǹkan yìí, wọ́n mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yìí gan lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbà gan ìyà ìmọ̀dí lẹ́lòmíì ń jẹ tó ò dẹ̀ lè pariwo síta. Bó o bá dẹ̀ tó ló tún gbé ẹsẹ̀ náà agbára tó tún jẹ agbára lọ á tún tẹ̀ ẹ́ rì. Ọlọ́run máa fìfẹ́ sí inú ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà láti tọ́jú ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà dáadáa.
she's athlete and she's this. You don't know her condition. You've not heard about her story. You don't know what she's passing through. A lot of people are outside the country and they are passing through hell. So many of them.
The reason why we said it, because I remembered I said it. It is because her mom said when she got there earlier, she called her mom. Then how did she remember her mommy's number there? Then she called her mom. She should have written that number somewhere, or to have the number offhand. She kò ní mọ number mommy ẹ̀ ni, so that anytime she just wants to get across to her mom, she will remember the number, because her mom is not changing her number. Number Auntie Jumi, Timothy for donkey years, is the one I contact her with anytime I want to talk to her. That is why we were complaining. If when she got there earlier, she hasn't called her mom for once, it would have been better. But she called her mom when she got there earlier. So why did she just switch off, just cut off all the kind of communications between her and her family? That is why we're complaining. Ó ní nọ́mbà màmá ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ náà, ṣebí fóònù tó mú kúrò nílé ó bàjẹ́. Ó ní nọ́mbà màmá ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́, kò tẹ̀ kí ṣerú nọ́mbà ẹni ò ní. Tí SIM bá ṣiṣẹ́ ní anywhere, ó yìí máa show àwọn contact. Ó yìí máa show contact. Bí ó dẹ̀ show contact, at least kò wá mọ nọ́mbà màmá ẹ̀ lórí. Ó yẹ kó mọ̀ lórí. Ó yẹ kó kọ nọ́mbà màmá ẹ̀ síbì kan nígbà tí fóònù ẹ̀ ti ń fumble. Ìdí nìyẹn tá ṣe ń complain, táwọn èèyàn ṣe ń bú. Báwo ni ò ṣe ní mọ nọ́mbà màmá ẹ̀? Báwo ni ò ṣe ní mọ nọ́mbà màmá ẹ̀? Even tó bá lọ sí Facebook pàápàá, tó bá lọ sí Facebook, tó bá chat, tó bá lo nọ́mbà èèyàn kan, tó bá lọ sí Facebook, tó bá chat pẹ̀lú èèyàn kan tó inbox ẹnìkan, ayé ti di global world now. People are making contact with many people they don't know, one way or the other. So even if it is online, she can even get her mommy's contacts. She can chat with any artist. Her mom is not just an ordinary person. Her mom is a celebrity. Ìlú mọ̀ọ́ká ni màmá ẹ̀ náà. Àwọn èèyàn ọmọ màmá ẹ̀ dáadáa láti get nọ́mbà irú àǹtí Jumoke George all throughout over the world. Kò ń ṣe skills. Ìdí tí èmi tí mi ò fi gba skills ẹ̀ wọlé nìyẹn. Kò kí ń ṣe skills because when any one of them has a problem and they want to contact us in Nigeria, they know how they how they get us. Yes, a lot of people ní òmòyàn kankan níbí báyìí now. Tó ẹlòmíì tí ń sọ tó máa ní àmọ́ yá phone lò ní ẹjọ́ ẹgbà mí. So òun yá phone lò, ó pe màmá ẹ̀. That means ó ṣì ní àwọn èèyàn kan níbẹ̀ yẹn tó ti lè lo phone èèyàn. Phone èèyàn kan lẹ fi ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. To get a number shouldn't be a problem. A lot of celebrities here, you know, our mother's contemporaries, our mother's friends, our mother's junior ones and senior ones. So she could have just contacted any one of them to connect her back to her mom. That is why we're complaining. I'm not even crossing at her now. But àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń pariwo wípé irọ́ ni àǹtí yẹn ń pa, that is why tèmi náà ṣe ń search online. Mo fẹ́ really mọ̀ bóyá àṣírí kan tún ti tú níbì kan, bọ̀ ìgbà tí mo get across this one, I can just say that people are making contact with the people that close to the mom.
Yes.
Tó bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ kọ́ lè fọkàn balẹ̀ tí ẹ̀kan bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ kí ló fẹ́ sọ fún wọn. Àwọn tó wà lọ́nà mọ́ máa ṣe ń sùn wọn. Ọ̀pọ̀ tó ọ̀kan lọ́wọ́ mi. Okay, so jẹ́ kí n mọ nǹkan tó máa cost yẹn as in owó tó need calculate kó send message mi bó lẹ́ voice note pé oye báyìí ló máa need o àti lọ sí embassy wa tó bá lè send address mi tó wà mo lè send mo lè bẹ́ẹ̀ scout mi tí o ti lè ṣe passport màá send ẹ̀ sí ẹ ṣùgbọ́n yeah so next thing jẹ́ kí n mọ iye tó get tó need màá lè send owó sí ẹ.
So Biola did not have an international passport, and as a result of that, she cannot even buy a SIM card, ordinary SIM that she can put on her phone. Nobody in Mali can buy SIM card without having international passport and without having a national identity card.
So ìgbà wo ni o fẹ́ kí mọ́mì bínú àbí kán ronú lò ṣe bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ láti bí 4 years.
So I was trying to establish that fact that she has not spoken with her mother for the past 4 years.
Thank you.
Her mother did not lie.
Thank you.
On the video interview that she did with Dr.
Thank
Abiola.
you. God bless you.
Jumoke George did not lie that she has not heard from her daughter for the past 4 years. Spoke to her. So talk to B, spoke to Biola. For the past 4 years, thank God Biola is tracked and she's alive and she's healthy, she's okay. Timani ò bá gbé Libya tí ò bá gbé èèyàn máa ń padà wá sílé ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká padà wá sílé because you cannot be in Nigeria kó wá lé koko débi téèyàn ò ní lè bá àwọn family ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. There are two people that are important in anybody's life. Two people. There are two people that are very, very important in anybody's life in this world.
Now.
Your parents, your children.
The relationship can never end.
Okay, Upper Room Miracle Cathedral. Okay.
Yes. So, mo jẹ́ kan lára àwọn church member Mama Jumoke.
Ẹ máa gbọ́ o.
So, mo ti rí so many comments láti àárọ̀ tí àwọn èèyàn sọ wípé àwọn kan sọ wípé.
Okay.
Mama.
Let's take this one differently. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbélé ìlọ́tọ̀.